Hello, this is Rob Stevens on Whitby Shores TV and Radio, heard and seen worldwide.
Hi there all, this is Martin, known as aka the Celturian, a name that I came up with 11 years ago as a theme to my style of playing in the art of Celtic music. I love Celtic music because it's a challenge and it's involved in fast reels, jigs, reels, blues, strathspeys, which is our dances. And this gives a challenge for the guitar because it uses the entire fretboard. And throughout the years that I've been performing and writing and recording for my albums, I've got 8 currently, and selling all my albums at the moment in New York, where the Celtic market is one of the biggest that I've come across. And my music is on iTunes and in Amazon, Napster, Songcast, pretty varied all over really. It's great to just hear and talk to you all and hear from the UK to the Whitby Shores radio. This is a promo that I'm doing for you, and I've not long just joined the site and uploaded some of my tracks already for you to listen to and to comment on, and I certainly get back to yours and comment on your music as well. It's such a privilege that I love doing this and sharing my music, and gives you a taster of my style that I have that I do on the guitar, which I've been playing now for over 39 years in all forms, types of music, from folk, jazz, rock, blues, classical, and Celtic is a fusion, which I fuse all my music together and then come out with some interesting melodies, phrases, rich passages. I'm currently doing classical albums now, which is a more soft approach, but more chilling and relaxed. Over here I've performed on several BBC radio shows throughout the UK, performed on stages with Blaze Bayley, Iron Maiden, Saxon, on some great rock festivals, great stages, where I do an all-out blistering set on my guitar in Celtic rock. So thank you, and I do hope that you continue listen to my music that I'd love to share to you. And thank you, Whitby Shores, for allowing me to send this up to you so that you can hear my voice as well, a Brummie from Birmingham. So love to you all, and thank you, and keep on creating, keep on writing, keep on, as I say over here, keeping the spirit of music live. Love to you all. Thank you.